On Christmas Day 2007, a tragedy unfolded in Phoenix, Arizona, one that still haunts the community and remains unresolved to this day. Aron Taylor, a 36-year-old homeless man, found himself the victim of a brutal and senseless crime. He was set on fire while he slept, a horrific act that would cost him his life. What makes this case particularly disturbing is not just the cruelty of the act itself, but the shadow of silence and mystery that shrouds it. That evening, Aron was resting outside a Subway restaurant on East Cactus Road when a group of local teens, believed to be white males aged between 16 and 19, approached him. These young men had reportedly been harassing Aron prior to the attack. Without warning or cause, they doused him with a flammable substance and ignited the flames. The fire was immediately noticed by bystanders who called for emergency responders, but despite the quick work of firefighters and paramedics, Aron's wounds were too severe. He succumbed to his injuries, leaving behind questions that have yet to be answered. The police faced huge challenges in the investigation. Crucial forensic evidence was compromised due to the nature of the fire and the scene contamination caused by firefighting efforts. Investigators worked to identify and apprehend the suspects, but the case was hampered by the defendants' refusal to cooperate, their families' hiring of legal counsel, and a lack of witnesses willing or able to come forward with definitive information. Over the years, the Phoenix Police Department and organizations like Silent Witness have continued to appeal to the public for any tips that might bring justice to Aron Taylor, but the case remains unsolved. The killers in Aron Taylor's case have never been officially identified or charged. Police and witnesses suspect that 3 young men, ages 17, 20, and 24 at the time, who frequently harassed and bullied Aron Taylor are responsible for his death. These individuals were seen duct taping Taylor to benches and offering him alcohol right before the fire that killed him. However, due to a lack of direct evidence and eyewitnesses to the act of setting him on fire, law enforcement was unable to formally charge anyone. The suspect's parents reportedly hired attorneys and instructed them not to cooperate with the investigation. The names have never been made public, and the murder remains unsolved.